This here is a vintage AMC metal box fan, model 10-21-4, serial Q, electronically reversible, 2-speed, high and low, and it is also thermostat controlled. See, he's got the fan shroud on it. I found this in the trash some years ago, and it works. Only modifications is I put a longer cord on it, and I also had to repair the cord as I tripped and ripped it out one time. Turn it on low. Get a shot at the controls if I can. It's 24 degrees outside, I'm running the freaking fan. There go the lawn bags. Just turned it off with the thermostat.